Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to day 6 of 25 days of videos. Today we are creating this look, and I am so in love. The inspo was gold eyes and some burgundy. I definitely wanted some burgundy on the lip or on the cheek or on both, and this is the final look. We're doing a tutorial. I'm literally going to show you exactly how I did it. So if you would like to see what products I used, what steps I went through to get this look, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, well that concludes this video. I hope you found it helpful. I love how this makeup turned out. And guys, if there's one thing you need to get your hands on is this Kiss Glow Bronze Powder. This is supposed to be for the face and the body, but this is the most beautiful topper. I show you guys in the video, but oh my goodness, it's literally like liquid gold. I don't know how they did it. I don't know why this isn't talked about much more, but you definitely need to get your hands on this because I think it's perfect for the holiday season. So easy, literally one swipe and that's all you need to do. But this is the final look. Like I said, I love it so much. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, 25 videos coming up from December 1st to the 25th. So make sure that you go back and look at the videos that I've already uploaded and be ready for some more coming tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye!